This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic readiness. Charge above 20% and unlock the phone. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open settings directly from home or the app drawer so you're in the right app environment. Now navigate to display and then tap notifications and control center. This is where control center style lives. You're taking the first actionable steps, not tweaking appearance blindly. These exact taps bring up the options you'll change next, which makes the process efficient and reproducible. You'll now pick the style itself. Tap Control Center Style to reveal available layouts, including MIUI style and Android style options. As you preview each layout, note how quick settings group and notifications stack. This explains why one feels faster than the other. Once you choose a style, confirm the change. Make sure to accept any prompt about restarting the user interface so changes apply cleanly. If you want, toggle a setting to show media controls differently. This fine-tunes the behavior for day-to-day use. Finish by testing. Swipe down from the top to open the new control center and check quick toggles, brightness slider, and notifications. This confirms the change behaved as intended. If layouts or icons appear misaligned, reboot the device to reload system UI components. That fixes most transient glitches. If problems persist, return to Control Center Style and reset to default, then reapply your preferred option. One key troubleshooting tip: clear system cache or reboot before reporting a bug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.